In this video, I will be teaching you how to create a Snapchat account. For that, first of all, open your Snapchat app. Now at the bottom, you see a sign up option. Tap on there. Now provide your first and last name. After that, tap on continue. Now provide your date of birth. Then again, tap on continue. By default, your username will be provided. But if you want to change your username, at your screen, you can see change my username option in blue color. Tap on there. Change the username. Now after you are done with that, again tap on continue. Type a password that you want to use. After you are done with that, tap on continue. Now provide your email. After you are done, now again tap on continue. You can just skip this process, and in this way your new Snapchat account is created.